Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about set in JavaScript. We are going to see what is a set and how to implement it. I'm going to walk you through all these steps that you can see here, all these 7 steps, but also make sure to subscribe to our channel to get notified about new content. Let's get started. So what is a set? A set is a collection of unique items. Now let's create a set to see how it works. Const set item, and then we're going to pass the set constructor, and this is how we can create a set. Now we need to add items within our set. Items that add, we are going to use the add method, and then we are going to add free item. Let's say we add 1 1 2, and then we can add 3 here. Now let's get our values within a set. We're going to use items that values, and then you can see in the console we are getting an iterator object. It means that we can iterate through our set using a loop. As you can see here, we're getting our set returns 1 2 3, but here we've add 1 2 times, but our set doesn't accept duplicate values. That is a set. It is a collection of unique items. It means if you have an item which already exists in a set, and then you want to add it in a set, the set, it ain't gonna accept it. It means it accepts only unique values. Now let's see how we can remove an item within a set. Item that remove. Here we are going to remove 1, and then here, we use the delete method, not remove. We are going to remove 1 item here, and then we are getting item of a set again. We are getting here true after delete. Here let's after delete, before delete, here before delete, we are getting here 2 and 3. Now as you can see here, our set is returning an iterator object. Now how can we iterate through our object? We are going to use the for of loop. If you're not familiar about for of loops, I invite you to check out my video where I talked about loops in ES6. Now to iterate through our set, we are going to use for of loop. Let const item of items, and then here we are going to console item within a set. Yeah, we're getting here 2 and 3 because here we have removed 1 in our set. Now let's see how we can clear item within a set. Console.log items, the name of the set, and then clear. And then here let's check if our set still have values. We are getting here an empty iterator. Our set doesn't contain any values. But also we can use a set to remove duplicates within an array. Const array can have an array of numbers that contain duplicates. 1 2 3 3, and then here we're getting 5 4 5, and then 6 6. We're going to create a set no duplicates, and then we're going to instantiate a set new sets, and then we're going to pass it an array. Here we're going to console the no duplicate sets that we just created. Here you can see in the console you're getting a collection of unique items, and then we can iterate through our sets. You're gonna see that we ain't gonna console 2 times 3 and 6. We're going to console only 1 time 3 and 6. Let's see. You can see that our sets doesn't contain duplicates. As you can see here, we have creating an array, and then we have removing duplicates item within this array using a sets class. That's pretty much it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next one.